Greetings, viewers. This is Sensor Studio reporting on the Israel-Iran war from Calm, Iran. We push the limits of common sense to bring you the latest updates. In the previous video, I mentioned that Israeli forces targeted only the western side of this building with a drone and killed 2 people. It wasn't clear exactly who these individuals were, but now it has been revealed. Saeed Izzadi, commander of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Quds Forces Palestinian Division, died in an Israeli drone strike. Iran repeatedly sends drones to Israel, but the 9-hour flight time from Iran to Israel prevents most drones from causing major damage. Iran fired 5 ballistic missiles toward central Israel overnight. This footage shows a building that was burned after being hit by a ballistic missile. A United States B-2 bomber has been confirmed to have taken off from a Missouri base hours ago. 8 aerial refueling tankers are refueling a B-2 bomber in flight. The bomber's destination remains unconfirmed. The B-2 bomber is crucial for attacking Iran's Fordo nuclear facility. The B-2 bomber is currently flying toward the Pacific region. 8 United States Air Force F-22 fighter jets and 2 groups of 4 departed Royal Air Force Lakenheath, United Kingdom, supported by KC-135 and KC-46 refueling aircraft. These fighter jets headed to Muwafaq Salti Air Base in Jordan and are reported to have arrived there. They also plan to send 4 more F-22 fighter jets, but the departure time for the remaining 4 is uncertain. The F-22 fighter jets reportedly belong to the United States Air Force's 1st and 192nd Fighter Wings. This concludes the video. Thank you.